finished my bike check. So, I have a 2014 Sunday MFC EX Plus frame. Yeah. I have Maxxis tires, that's a Maxxis Grifter, Maxxis M-Trek. I have new bars and new fork, which are Black Label. I have a Sunday Free stem, and for my hubs, they're stock Sunday, but they're female hubs. Got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I have Sunday cranks, Black Label sprocket, and a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. My gearing is 25 by 9 tooth, and I have a nice Odyssey seat here. I have Odyssey quadrant rims, ladies, one for each corner. Yeah. And I have a gyro, I don't know what, and it says right here, you have chosen wisely. It's a Sunday gyro, so yeah. That's my bike check, and I'll show you what I'm gonna get now. So I'm gonna get red bullet valve caps for each of the tire valves. Oh, that one's coming off. Put that on later. I'm gonna get some red Galaxy Twisted PC pedals. I think I'll get a pizza seat. I'm gonna get some red ODI grips. Oh yeah, these are ODIs. Odyssey bar ends. I'm gonna get some chrome bolts here, and yeah, because they're rusting. And yeah, I already got a dent in the fork right there. It's alright though. And yeah, so that's my bike check. Here's the seat so you guys can see it. It's like grippy, it's cool. Yeah, that's my bike. See you next time. MKBMX out.